Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are seeing an auspicious east-facing house plan with Vastu, and the total plot size is about 45 feet by 41 feet. And this ground floor house plan maximizes spaces and natural light across the generous 1845 square feet built-up area. And as per the compass of the plan, east facing the road and north to the right and south to the left and west to the rear. And this one is highly Vastu compliant. Here is the directional breakdown. Let's get into the plan. Our main entrance is located in the northeast, and the portico and the main entrance are situated in the northeast corner, that is auspicious Ishan corner. And in Vastu, this one attracts wealth, health, and positive cosmic energy into the home. And we have provided portico of size 17 feet 3 inches by 9 feet 3 inches, and it's an ample space for parking or shared set of area. And coming to the main door, it's in the northeast portion, and getting to the house, here is our living room, and it is exceptionally large and well lit centrally gathering space, and it's open concept central gathering space, and it acts as the heart of the home and easily connecting all other rooms. And this living room is measuring 27 feet 9 inches by 16 feet 9 inches. And we provide also for location here. And opposite to that, we have our TV showcase. And coming to the dining space, and it is situated seamlessly between the living room and the kitchen, and allowing for easy serving and an airy and open transition. And this dining space is measuring 10 feet by 10 feet and provided with a 6-seater. Coming to the kitchen, and this kitchen is perfectly placed in the southeast corner, that is Agni corner, and it is ruled by the fire element. And stove top placement allows the cook to face east, which is the most highly recommended vastu position for health and prosperity. And the kitchen is measuring with 11 feet by 10 feet, and generous cooking space provided with an attached utility area. And this utility area is measuring 5 feet by 9 feet 3 inches, and it is conveniently located near the kitchen for washing or course, and located just behind the kitchen and perfect for laundry and wet cleaning tasks, and keeping the main kitchen clutter free. And here we have our storeroom of size 5 feet 6 inches by 4 feet 9 inches that are provided over here. And coming to the master bedroom, here is our master bedroom, and it is measured with a size of 16 feet by 16 feet and luxurious primary suite with wide windows. And the spacious master bedroom occupies the southwest corner, that is Nairutia corner, and it is known for earth element, and this area represents earth element and provides stability, dominance, and peace for the head of the family. It maximizes privacy and includes dedicated dressing room leading into spacious attached toilet. Let's coming to the position, and we are we provide our bed sleeping position in the south and wardrobe in the west. It enhance prosperity and better sleep for the head of the family. And master bedroom dressing room. It is measured size of 5 feet by 4 feet 6 inches, and a walk-in dressing room leading to the bathroom. And this attached toilet is measuring with 5 feet by 11 feet, and it's large attached bathroom. And here we provide our commode pointed towards south. As per was switch, we pointed towards south or north, and here we kept towards south. And coming to the kids' bedroom, it is located in the northwest wall corner, and this bedroom is ideal for children or guests. The air element rules this corner, promoting movement and growth. And this kids' bedroom is measuring with size of 11 feet 3 inches by 16 feet. And here also the bed sleeping position in the south and wardrobe in the west, which enhance the stability and gives better sleep for the person living here. And this kids room is provided with a walk-in dressing area of size 5 feet by 4 feet 6 inches, And through the receiver, we have an access to the attached toilet of size 5 feet by 11 feet. And in this bathroom, attached bathroom, we have our commode pointing towards north, as I mentioned earlier, and it should be pointed towards north or south, and here it kept towards north. And coming to the puja room, here we have a puja room, and it is located in the west zone. This dedicated puja room is placed on the western wall, and the god idols are positioned on the west wall so that the worshipper faces west while praying, which is highly acceptable Vastu practice. And the puja room is measured in a size of 5 feet 6 inches by 4 feet. And this private prayer room is adjacent to the storeroom, and a dedicated spiritual space conveniently located off the central living area and ensuring daily prayers are easily integrated into family life. And coming to the toilets and bathroom specification, both attached toilets are intelligently kept out of the sacred northeast and southeast zones and positioned instead along the western axis, which effectively drains negative energy. Coming to the staircase, the internal staircase is placed in the heavier west or southwest zone, and which acts as a beneficial anchor for the home's energy. And overall conclusion, like this open concept flow between the massive living area and dining space while maintaining privacy for the bedrooms and utility zones. And beyond the standard wardrobes, the plans include specific storeroom and large dressing areas for both bedrooms to keep the main living space clutter free. And the bedrooms are pushed to the rear side of the house, so buffering them from road noise and separating private rest areas from the lively and open plan entertainment zones at the front. So these are about the entire plan. You can see the clear view over here. And you can get more plans on our websites, houseplansdaily.com, houseplans.world. Our apps are available on the Google Play Store, Houseplans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Planlist, and Designist apps. We are conducting 30-day online class on how to create house plans according to Vastu Shastra. If you are interested, please reach out via WhatsApp at 99520 290 632 to join. Thank you.